Hey guys, Dustin Medlin here at a property over in Blue Springs this time. Blue Springs, Missouri, a possible investment property. Currently for sale for $120,000, and it looks like it's got a little bit of foundation work that had been done, or I can definitely see on that plate wall behind me there, a dead man. So we're going to check this place out and see what's wrong with it, or what's right with it. Stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, here's the street view. You can tell there's a lot of ranch homes on this street, several of them. There's across the street. You got one right there. They're all real similar to size and square footage. All of them are raised ranches, which means they have those garages in the basement, just like this subject property here. You know, the street looks pretty good. Houses look pretty well kept. We're gonna go inside this one and take a look at the inside first. But first of all, one thing I want to show you right here is this is what's called a dead man. And that is a brace that they use to hold things together when things start shifting as far as the foundation. So you're gonna see a little bit of a crack in the front steps, and that the front steps are a little bit off kilter right there, kind of sleeping on the left hand side. But you know, if those foundation issues have been addressed, then and addressed properly, then there's really nothing to worry about. So walking into the house, this is the living room. You can see it does have hardwoods, which is great. The hardwoods look like they're in good shape. Could just maybe use a mopping. Windows look like the original windows. Moving on from this entryway here, you're gonna see like the family room, I guess. And there would be where the kitchen table is, or the dining room table would go. Got a sliding glass door to the back where there's another sunroom. This again has the wood floors. The paint has been updated, more modernized color. Tile in the kitchen, and that actually looks exactly like the tile that I used in my own bathroom. So kudos there. I like that one. And then the kitchen is kind of a galley style kitchen. So you've got a bar right here with some storage and some chairs. And then, you know, your refrigerator and kitchen storage. So not a bad design. Countertops look like to be Formica. There's the range, hood. And in here is oh, that's where the dishwasher is, it looks like. In this closet with the microwave and the pantry where the food and everything you could store. So that's good. Door was a little tight. Another sign of maybe some foundation shifting. Moving on into the sunroom. So here's the sunroom. It's a nice little sunroom. It's got tiled floor, lots of windows. Vaulted ceiling, and a newer style fan. You can see the back right here with the air conditioner. And this kind of a privacy fence to kind of seal off this area of the yard. We'll take a look at that when we go outside, but this room looks pretty good. There's a little bit of, you know, signs of some shifting, but there's a little bit up there as well, but nothing too crazy. A little crack right there. And one over here. But again, none of them are real large cracks. This room is a nice tiled room. Love those hard surface floors for possible investment income rental properties. Okay, we're gonna move on to the rest of the main level before we move to the basement. So Moving on, there's a storage closet. There is a sign of some settling right there. Here's a bathroom that it looks like it's been somewhat updated. It's got a nice gray top on it. And looks like painted cabinets below. Tile floor. Shower with tile. That could all really stay just the way it was. There's the shower and the shower head, nozzle. Okay, so this door in the back of the bathroom, oh, it actually leads into one of the bedrooms here. So we'll check that out when we get to the bedroom. But here's the toilet. So again, in here, a little bit of loose tape up there. But, no major cracks or anything too bad in here. All right, here's that bedroom that we just looked at. So I would go ahead and call this the master bedroom because it does have access directly into that bathroom. Through this door. So that's kind of nice. And there's a pocket door right there too. I didn't see that when we were first in here, but there's a pocket door right here that you can shut to seal off the toilet from the rest of the bathroom. So that's, again, it's kind of a nice thing. In here, looks like somebody got some paint on the ceiling when they painted before. But no major cracks or anything over here on this side. Again, good wood floors. Look fine. Same for bedroom number 2 here. Wood floors. Ceiling fan. It's about the same size as the other bedroom. It looks like a, can't tell if that's a, I think that's a queen bed. Here's your windows. Again, the windows are all original. I don't see any broken glass or anything like that. Well, wait a minute, there might be one. Yep, there is one piece of broken glass there on this one that you can see. And then moving on into the 3rd bedroom. So all these bedrooms are almost the same size. Hardwood floor. Good updated colors. Got some, probably need to paint this door since it's got some paint on it from when they painted the trim. So yeah, all in all, that's the main part of the house. Next stop, the basement. All right, moving towards the basement. You're gonna see why this house hasn't sold yet. So down here, that's like a whole window right here. I can't quite tell. There's foam in it. I think it might have been maybe where the window unit was, but it's filled with foam right now. You can kind of see it right there. Here's a dead man. Another dead man, so you can see that the sheetrock was cut off. The dead man installed, and also some patching of some cracks in the foundation. So if you could get this sealed up, you could come right back with sheetrock right there and mud and tape it. There's also no flooring down here. You can tell all this was finished at one time. So this basement probably got wet. And there went the carpet. There is some water in here right now. From, looks like it's coming from that crack right there, coming down the wall. So basement is a little wet. Just we've had a lot of moisture this winter, so that's something maybe that you'd want to address. Looks like a foundation company does still have a warranty on this place. There's another dead man right there on this wall you're gonna see, and some more work. There is a sump pump in the house, so that's good. Want to check and make sure that's working well. Here's some beams, some stabilization beams right here, and they are tied into the rafters properly with flag bolts, so that's all good. There's just, yeah, this had a lot of cracks in it, a lot of cracks in this wall, so. That's just, there's actually a window behind there, so that must be what was upstairs too. There was a window that somebody put foam in. That's all that is. Just to probably just seal up. It's one of those crank out windows. So moving on over here, you're gonna see there's more stabilization that was done and sheetrock cut out to do it on these walls down here. And the window that I was explaining is like this. One of those, you crank it and it opens up. So that's why they have insulation on them, because those aren't the best windows in the world. You can buy replacement windows to fit down here in the basement. There's another brace, which you can see. Here's the laundry room down here. Washer and dryer. Furnace, hot water heater. Again, more cracks. So that's not necessarily anything that, I mean, as long as it's under warranty and we can address that water right there, I wouldn't be too worried about that if you're going to make this into an income property. I think that's actually kind of what you're looking for, because that's going to maybe ward off a lot of just retail buyers. So in this market, the way that things have been, you know, it's best not to have any competition, because there sure is a lot of it. Another beam, electrical panel, 100 amp service, hot water heater, holder for sure. Looks like it's working okay. And then the furnace, you can see that. Got a filter in it, that's good. Moving on around, there's the other bathroom in the basement. So here's bathroom number 2 in this house. It's in the basement. Again, that sheetrock's been removed to put that in that post, it looks like. So it does have a shower down here. One-piece shower with tile above it, and a little vanity and toilet, and an exhaust fan, which is code. That didn't work. Moving on out into the garage. Remember, this is a raised ranch, so the garage is into the basement. Here's an access panel for the furnace again, so we can get a panel better. Look at the furnace. Again, here's the garage. You can see where sheetrock has been put back up in this garage over the the I-beams that have been installed. So you got I-beams all the way across that back wall too. All right, we're gonna go outside and take a look around there. This garage floor, by the way, I don't see a lot of cracks or anything in it, so garage doors set pretty level across the bottom too. And you do have garage door openers on each. Let's go out here at the property in Blue Springs, the 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch. It is brick on the outside, which is nice. There's where that dead man is again. You could see a sign of where there was some cracking from the foundation settling, but the cracks aren't huge. You know, they're smaller, which is to be expected with the settling that went on, but Got a little one right there that's been patched. But yeah, you know, it's nice for the brick. You got low maintenance. You also got, looks like vinyl or metal soffit up underneath there. So that's all low maintenance as well. You've got the drains coming out away from the house on the gutters all the way around. Got a big double gate here on the back, so somebody could get a larger lawnmower in here to mow. And then here's the back of the house. Here's a couple signs of the foundation work that was patched up back here. You can kind of see that wall's not perfectly straight, but with the bracing on the inside, that should keep it from moving now. So definitely would want to have an inspection period on this house, just to have it double checked by a foundation professional. There's the outside air AC condensing unit with the disconnect, overhead electrical lines. Most of these older neighborhoods, they have that. There's that little section of privacy fence around this little fire pit, great for entertaining. Got like a little pergola right there. And then you have this back storage shed, so you can store your mower or you know, a workshop for a man. Larger tree in the backyard here. That'll give you a nice shade in the summer. The yard looks like it's totally fenced and does not really slope back towards the house. So it does here, but then it flattens out here. So it's not like the whole yard's dumping back into the foundation of the house. So moving on around, we'll go check out this side. So again, the gutters and the drainage has been ducted away from the house, so that's good. You can see where dirt has been put back up against the house over here. That's another good thing. Actually, it looks like this whole side has had dirt added underneath the snow, so looks like a lot of that's been addressed. So yeah, that's it. Overall, not a bad house. Not a bad house. So yeah, that's it for the house in Blue Springs today. You know, like I said, not a bad house overall. Would want an inspection period to maybe check out that, make sure that the foundation work was done right. I do know the foundation company, so I can reach out to them as well, see what records they have on it, and find that out for you. So again, rents over here in this neighborhood are pretty good. If you want to know more about that, give me a call. You know, upwards of 1,200, and I think some of them were even higher than that, if I remember right. So yeah, give me a call and I'll give you a full rent report. Take care. Thanks.